Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Dodge Charger Launch Control. First, ensure your engine is at its optimal operating temperature. This is crucial for performance and engine health. Next, find a flat, dry surface with good traction, as this will help prevent excessive wheel spin. Finally, remember to disable both traction control and stability control systems before proceeding. To activate launch control, begin by pressing the SRT button on your dashboard. This will bring up the performance pages on your infotainment screen. From there, navigate through the options until you find the dedicated launch control setting. Once selected, you can confirm or adjust your desired launch RPM, typically between 1,500 and 3,500 to suit your driving style. Now for the exciting part, executing the launch. With your left foot, firmly press and hold the brake pedal. Simultaneously, fully depress the accelerator pedal with your right foot. The engine RPM will stabilize at your pre-selected launch setting. When you are ready, quickly release the brake pedal. The car will then launch with maximum acceleration, so be prepared for the rush. After initiating the launch, maintain a firm grip on the steering wheel to control the vehicle's direction. Be aware that you might experience some wheel spin, which is normal during a powerful launch. It's always a good idea to practice using launch control in a safe, controlled environment like a drag strip or a closed course to get a feel for its capabilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.